What's up guys, my name is Jake. You're watching the Smart Home Download. Okay guys, in this episode we're talking about guns. I wanted to clear something up. My perspective and from experience doing this for 13 years, I often hear somebody say, or I'll read in the comment section, somebody will say, I don't need a security system because I have Smith & Wesson. Or I have guns, so therefore that's my protection. And hey, that's great. Anyone that knows me knows I'm a big fan of the Second Amendment, right? But I suggest that the reason you need a security system is because you have guns. If you're home, somebody breaks into your house, great, you got guns. I hope you would never have to use it. But in the event you're not home, those guns aren't going to do you any good. This here is a biometric safe made by Gunbox, used for quick access to your firearms when you need it, and also can keep your guns safe from children or anyone breaking into the house. Someone wants to pick this box up and try to move it, you get a notification right on your phone. All you got to do to open the gun box, put your finger on the box for a minute. It's actually going to pop right open. Now you have the access you need. And I too have a Smith & Wesson. And that's the reason you need a security system. Thanks for checking out our video. It's the first episode of RIHomeSecurity's Smart Home Download.
Hey Dad, don't you think that they should subscribe and share and like our videos too?
It's a good point, Raylan. What she said. Stay safe, Rhode Island.